Hi buddies, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing rest of the questions of the chapter Introduction to Yoga and Yogic Practices. So let's begin from the 18th question. What are the types of asana and explain them? Types of asana: standing, sitting, supine and prone. Standing for beginners, increase flexibility, stamina, physical ability. For example, Tadasana and Trikonasana. You can also write Kati Chakrasana. Next, sitting helps to prepare for pranayam. Example, Vajrasana and Padmasana. Supine help in proceeding further in yoga. Example, Bhujangasana and Shavasana. Prone bring physical and mental sharpness and alertness. Example, Shalabhasana and Dhanurasana. Next, eating. No, it is the 19th question. Actually, I guess the numerical one is wrong. So 19. Explain pranayam with purpose and types. So pranayam is a science in which it helps to regularize vital energies through regulation of breath. The purpose: gain control over the nervous system, mental system, slow deep inhalation, purka, holding breath, kumbhaka, complete exhalation, richika. Pranayam calms our mind. Types: Anulom Vilom, Surya Bhedna, Bhramri, Ujjayi, Sheetkari and Sheetli. 19. Define meditation. Meditation is a state of pure consciousness, reduce stress and helps to focus on present movements. 20th. What are the types of meditation? Types of meditation are mindfulness, focused, spiritual, mantra and movement. So mindful meditation: being aware of sound and activities around us. Let our flow from one thought to another. Don't focus on a single thing. Focused: focus on one sound, object and mantra. Spiritual: communicating with God and focus on a question or a problem. Mantra: chanting words like Om repeatedly as a mantra. For example, Om Om Om, you are chanting like that. Movement mantra: do something repetitive, flowing movement. 21st. What are the benefits of meditation? Benefits in anxiety and depression, relief from pain. Example, headache or joint pains. 3rd, growth in devotion of God. 4th, increase the sympathy. 5th, beneficial in insomnia, lack of sleep. Next and the last question, 22. What are the career opportunities in yoga? So first, yoga instructor. Second, yoga teacher. Third, yoga therapist. Fourth, resource officer in yoga. Fifth, neuropathy doctor. Sixth, yoga demonstrator. So that's all for today's video. We had done all questions of chapter 1, Introduction to Yoga and Yogic Practices. So from tomorrow onwards, we have been starting to the second chapter, Introduction to Yoga text. So stay tuned. Come back to the channel. Bye buddies.